Good morning children, I am Mubina Inamdar. In today's video I am presenting Social Studies for Class 5 on lesson The Tundra Region. The Tundra Region. The word Tundra means treeless plain. So the Tundra region is essential a flat area where trees do not grow. Usually these areas are known for their cold, harsh climate where few plants and animals can survive. Tundra ecosystems are treeless regions found in the Arctic and on the tops of mountains where the climate is cold and windy and rainfall. Tundra lands are covered with snow for much of the area. But summer brings bursts of wild flowers. The word tundra means treeless plain. The tundra is a treeless polar desert found in the high latitudes in the polar regions, primarily in Canada, Russia, Greenland, Iceland, as well as subantarctic ice islands. Here, tundra is a flat area where trees do not grow. Here in tundra region, trees do not grow. That's why this is called treeless plain. Here, the area known for their cold and harsh climate. Here only few animals and plants can survive. Location. Depending on its location, the tundra region is divided into three types. Depending on its location, the tundra region is divided into three types. First one is the Arctic tundra, the Antarctic tundra, the Alpine tundra. Let's see one by one. Children, the tundra region lies between 66.5° north and 90° north latitudes. It is also known as the freeze zone or polar region. Children, in our previous class, if you not seen the videos, I will show you what are the latitudes. Suppose this is a earth. From east to west, some imaginary lines are run from east to west. These are the called latitudes. These are the called latitudes. In this way, in northern hemisphere 90 latitudes are there, 90 latitudes, and in southern hemisphere 90 latitudes are there, and the line which divides the earth in two hulls is called equator, which lies on 0°, and these are the poles. This is south pole which is at 90°, and this is north pole, this is on 90°. From equator to north pole, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like that, 66.5° north and 90° north. This area is called tundra region. The tundra region lies between 66.5° north to 90° north pole. This area between these two degrees are called tundra region. This is the location of tundra region. According to this location, these are divided into three types: the Arctic tundra, the Antarctic tundra, the Alpine tundra. See here, 66.5 Arctic circle. This blue color shade is the tundra region. This blue color, dark blue color shade is tundra region. Arctic tundra region. First one, the Arctic tundra. This region lies in the northern hemisphere of the earth near the Arctic Ocean. Countries around the North Pole such as Norway, Finland, Sweden, Canada, Greenland and parts of northern Russia are a part of the Arctic tundra. As I show here you, the region lies in the northern hemisphere. This is the northern hemisphere and this one is southern hemisphere. Lies in the northern hemisphere of the earth near the Arctic Ocean. Near the Arctic Ocean. Countries around the North Pole such as Norway, Finland, Sweden, Canada, Greenland and parts of the northern Russia are a part of the Arctic tundra. Next is the Antarctic tundra. The region lies in the southern hemisphere and it comprises Antarctica and some island surrounding it. The Antarctic tundra lies in the southern hemisphere here. In this, suppose this is Earth, this is northern hemisphere and this is southern hemisphere and this one is equator. This one is South Pole and this one is North Pole. So, the Antarctic tundra lies in the southern hemisphere and it comprises Antarctic and some islands surrounding it. Surrounding it means here some islands it's surround it. Antarctica and some other islands surround. Next one is the Alpine tundra is a treeless region found on mountains all over the world. Due to high altitudes on mountains, the climate is very harsh and therefore no trees grow there. For example, the Alpine tundra is found on the Himalayas at higher altitudes. The Alpine tundra is a treeless region found on mountains all over the world. Due to high altitudes on mountains means when you go increase in the altitudes and climate means temperature will be decreased. So high altitudes on mountains, the climate is very harsh and therefore no tree grow there. For example, the Alpine tundra is found on the Himalayas at higher altitudes. When you go higher to higher altitudes, the temperature will be decreased. In Arctic tundra, the Greenland is the largest island in the world. It is located in the Arctic tundra. Next, climate. Climate of the tundra region. The tundra region has the world's coldest climate. The land is frozen most of the year. This is known as permafrost, short for permanently frozen. Winters are very long, lasting up to 10 months, while summer lasts for a short time. There is also very little rainfall in the Arctic and the Antarctica tundra. The winters are cold and dark. The sun does not rise for months together. Similarly, in the summers, the sun does not set. Even midnight, it shines brightly on the horizon. That is why the Arctic and the Antarctic regions are often referred to as the land of the midnight sun. However, even the sun cannot warm the tundra much and the temperatures always stay low.